Good evening. This is Dr. Kenan Collects, and I want to make a quick video this evening to cover two things. The first thing I want to do is show you how to redeem a McFarlane Toys digital code. So I'm going to redeem Red Robin, and this code will not work anymore by the time you see this video because I will have redeemed it. The second thing I want to do is I want to show you one of my McFarlane Toys digital spaces, and I want to place this collectible in there. This is also going to serve as a test. I tested the Zoom share feature with the Viviverse, and when I'm looking at the Viviverse, everything's moving smoothly on my screen. But then when I look at my video, that I use Zoom to, share my screen, everything's really jumpy. So I kind of want to see if it does the same thing in the McFarlane showroom. And in all reality, I probably have to find a new program to share my screen. So let's go ahead and check this out. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you this. Okay. So you need to go to McFarlandToysDigital.com and you need to download the showroom. Okay. So once you have the showroom installed, you'll see something like this. Okay. You'll log in and there's literally a button on the left ribbon that says redeem code. So obviously you just put the code there and you click submit. So let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. I acquired Red Robin, mint number 6109. Okay. Oh, it looks like it might take a while for it to enter my collection. So maybe we won't do that right now. But let's go ahead and check out one of my spaces. Okay. Again, I have a lot of assets in here. It might take a little bit to load, but it's usually pretty quick. So this being said, if anyone has some recommendations for software where you can share your screen, etc., I'd appreciate it. Okay, so here's the opening space. It looks really good. Really, like all of these digital collectibles look excellent. So there's Mr. Freeze, for example. This is my favorite version of Mr. Freeze. And then Batman, Frozen. Okay. But as you can see, I have a lot going on in this space. That's a lot of fun. You acquire the collectibles, you stage them. I've spent many hours in here with my kids, really just staging the figures, storytelling, things like that. Obviously, there's a lot going on here. You have some villains, right? Then you have the good guys coming in. One thing I want to point out that I think is really cool, and you really can't do this with physical collectibles. Usually, I guess you could use batteries, but the light on Blue Beetle is just awesome in my opinion. Carapax as well. It looks great. Mr. Freeze. So again, this is the benefit of having a digital collectible over a physical collectible. Another benefit, right, is animation. So you see Superman's moving. Which other ones are animated? I burned this one to get a Jokerized tumbler. That's why it's showing up like that. Oh yeah, the Todd. There you go. Yeah, everything looks really good. Let me see if that figure showed up. We can just put him right here. Let's see. My collectibles. Well, I acquired Nightwing, so let's go ahead and add Nightwing. So you just go to the collectibles tab, add Nightwing. Where'd he go? Sometimes it gets tricky. Like he, I'm not sure where he went. That's funny. That's fine. Let me try again. I'm gonna put this Nightwing there. There he is. He's right below me. I'll have to find the other one eventually. So then there's buttons here, right? We can scale Nightwing. Boom, there you go. That's the maximum size. We could just put him over here supporting Blue Beetle as he fights Carapax, or rather prepares to fight him. So you could just do positioning, so rotation. There you go. Yeah. So I just wanted to briefly share my showroom, one of my showrooms with you, and test out Zoom. So hopefully this video is smooth. There's a chance that it's jumping. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see what we see. Have a great evening.